Turn to page 45 in your books.
So we're gonna work on problem A, and let me read to you and tell you what we're gonna do. So it says, show 2 ways that 4 people can share a 6-segment chewy fruit worm. In each case, how many segments does each person get? So I think we're supposed to try it on our own first.
You should bring gum. Or
And
chewy
then-
fruit worms. Does anyone have a chewy fruit worm I
I
can
would
eat?
think if we're reading about chewy fruit worms, she would bring us some chewy fruit worms.
Alright, what do we gotta do?
We're gonna do part A.
Alright, well you do it and give me the answer. Let me know when you're done.
Okay. Do you want to work together?
I guess if we have to, we can.
I think we're supposed to work alone first and then together. So do you want to
Okay.
try the problem?
I'll just wait for you.
Okay.
I dropped my pencil. Got a new pencil! Wait,
No, that's my
fine.
pencil now. I'll do that anyway, so that's fine. Do you have an answer yet for me?
Wait, let me see your book.
You know she's gonna ask for the answer, right? She's gonna ask you to explain your thinking.
Well, do you have an answer?
Well, if you would
yeah.
just do it, we could get an answer.
But I really don't think that's what we're supposed to do.
Where's...
God, you're just so childish.
Who are you
Can
calling
you-
childish?
Don't throw at me.
Alright.
Do you know which problem we're doing?
I think we're starting right on the top with letter A.
Okay.
So, one of you want to read it?
I can read it.
Okay.
A1. Show 2 ways that 4 people can share a 6-segment chewy fruit worm. In each case, how many segments does each person get?
Okay. So, before we start, why don't we think about what we need here? So, we know there's how many people?
There are 4 of us.
Okay, there's 4 people, and they're sharing 6 segments
So we have a chewy worm that's broken into 6 different segments.
with 4 people. Okay.
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 Just wanted to make sure.
Let's all take a minute or 2 and work on it, and then we can compare.
Share our answers. Okay. Okay. You want to share, Michaela, what you did?
So I started out by drawing my 6 pieces, and then I cut them all in half because 4 didn't fit into 6 very nicely. So I wanted to make smaller pieces. So I took each segment and cut it in half, and then I started counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it fit really evenly inside
Did
it.
you know that was going to work, though? Like, what
No,
if
I just tried it and I got lucky.
Oh, okay. Nice job.
But I wonder why
What did
it
you do
works.
at top? It looks different.
So I tried another way, but I looked at Leanna's and she has
did
the
something similar.
same one. So maybe she can share what she did.
So I looked at my 6 and I said, okay, each person gets a whole segment. But then I had 2 whole segments left over. So then I knew that I could fit, if I broke those segments in half, then I would have 4 pieces. So then I said each person gets a whole segment and a half of another piece.
A half of another piece? Oh, a half of another segment.
Half of another segment.
Oh, okay. Because I was looking at these 2 segments. As, okay, I get it. What about, is your answer the same?
Well, if I think about it like that, I get 1.5. But if I think about the first way where I cut them all in half, you would actually get 1, 2, 3 halves. So now I don't know if I did it right.
But wait. Isn't 3 halves the same thing?
I don't know.
Well, if you have one whole could be a half and a half. And then that half.
So,
it'd be
my
half,
one
half,
could
half.
be a half and a half, and then my other half, and altogether I have 3 of them.
Mm-hmm. But when
Oh.
if you put those two halves together, you would have
your
one,
whole.
and then one more half left over.
Oh, so they are the same.
We learned that in sixth
So
grade.
1 1/2 is equal to 1 2/4 is equal to 3 halves is equal to 6/4.
Yeah, I think that's right.